Japan, the birthplace of sushi and anime, famous for its high-tech cities and beautiful landscapes. People in the cities are normally short on time, and sometimes a bowl of instant noodles is considered a meal. Today we will be trying 5 kinds of instant dry noodles. Yakisoba. The first one is green Laver punch yakisoba. The brand Peyoung started in 1975. It is one of the most popular yakisoba brands you can find in supermarkets all over Japan. Let's open it up. 2 steps to make your yakisoba. We have the sauce, dehydrated vegetables, and the seaweed. Alright, 3 minutes. It's up. Let's pour out the water. Let's put in the sauce. I can smell something sweet from the sauce. There goes in the seaweed. Mix it up. Definitely I can taste Worcester sauce in the noodles and a very strong smell of seaweed. It's pretty good. I rate this 7 out of 10. Next, we have Gotsumori Yakisoba. Toyo Suisan. The brand has been around since 1948. Let's open it up. This has a similar packaging, also 2 steps, with a convenient water outlet. A pack of dry vegetables, or dehydrated. A pack of QP mayonnaise, and of course our yakisoba sauce. In goes the vegetables, hot water, seal it up, 3 minutes for this noodle. Let's pour out the hot water. Let's open it up. In goes the yakisoba sauce. The color for this noodle, the sauce, looks more appetizing than the previous one. Mayo. This is one of the most popular mayo in Japan. You can get this brand separately. Sometimes people add additional mayo into their noodles to make it more tasty, but of course you're adding more fats as well. Alright, let's mix it up. It's ready. This looks more promising. Actually, it tastes quite similar. It just seems darker but without the seaweed taste. But it's still good. Salty and sweet. I'll give this the same score, 7 out of 10. Next up, you have 4 Osaka Takoyaki flavor. This is another brand by Nissin. Nissin is actually the market leader in instant noodles. Nissin actually takes up 40% of the market share in Japan for instant noodles, and the average Japanese person actually eats about 40 packets of instant noodles per year. So for the condiments, they are mayo, seaweed, oil, and seasoning powder. If you notice, for Nissin noodles, they normally pre-prepared the vegetables and already put it in for you. I appreciate the convenience. Alright, it's 4 minutes for these noodles. Time to put everything in. First the powder. Seaweed in. There's no sequence, I'm just doing whatever's nearer to me. Now the mayo. And the oil. It's ready to eat. Alright, I have to say, this is the best so far. In terms of flavor, in terms of smell, everything. You know, usually when you buy instant noodles, there's always this part where, oh, there's not enough powder, there's not enough flavor. Not for this one. I'm giving this 9 out of 10. Next we have instant yakisoba, salt broth flavor. This is by Acecook. Acecook used to be called Umeshin Confectionery Company. They rebranded in 1964 into Acecook. It takes 4 minutes to cook this, slightly longer. Alright, this is much more simple. Only 2 packs. 2 flavor packs. Alright, 4 minutes is up. I'm gonna pour out the water. Not gonna show this part again. Just slapping the vegetables that got stuck on the lid. Sauce and flavor powder, that's it. It doesn't smell like instant noodles to me. Not in a bad way. Let's try it. I have to say, this noodle actually tastes as if there's some herbs inside. It's a bit salty, of course it's salt broth, yeah. It's not bad. I don't mind eating this again. I rate this 6.5 out of 10. Here is another yakisoba by Toyo Suisan. Another salt flavor. This will be the fastest noodle to get cooked today. This one only requires 1 minute. Let's open it up. Right, 3 flavor packs for this, but actually one of them is the vegetables. So in goes the vegetables. There's some crab sticks there as well. It kind of looks like real crab. Alright, 1 minute is up. Let's pour out the water. Yeah, it does look like real crab. Alright, let's mix it up. This is not bad. It's better than the previous one. Tastes quite good. I wish they could have more flavor in this. As in, what I felt was the ratio of the powder and the sauce could be more. I rate it 7 out of 10. This is my personal ranking for each of the noodles. I know for the third one, I didn't give it the highest score, but it tastes unique. Something different, you know. For the second one, it cooks in 1 minute and it tastes great, so that's why it's getting that position. But for the first one, UFO, the Osaka Takoyaki flavor, it tastes absolutely the best. I'm definitely buying it again. Alright, thanks for watching. If you like more videos, please subscribe. We will try our best to get as many food as we can from across the world. Thank you very much.